Kia ora te whānau, nō mai hoki mai. Now, this video is probably the one of the most important videos that you'll watch in 2023. This project is incredible, it's innovative, it's disruptive, and it's bringing something new that I think is almost vitally important for you in the future when it comes to your data. Now, this is the CEO, Tom McMurrain. It's only a 4-minute video. Please watch it because you'll get a lot of insight about what this project is. And at the end of it, I'll show you how to get started.
In this video, we're going to talk about the difference between a company-owned digital platform and a community-owned digital platform, much like Databank.me. Every electronic device has an IP address associated with it. This is how these major companies track all of your activity, such as your clicks, your searches, your voice. They use this IP address that's associated with every single device that we have, such as mobile phones, wearable technology, cars. Everything has an IP address associated with it, and it's connected to you. That's how they know where you are, what you're talking about, and that's how they serve up advertisements to you. So the IP address is unique to each device. Now, these big companies rely on a user community, and what they do is they give you free access to their platforms in exchange to track your IP address. They really see you as data collection nodes. A node is a data collection point. They see you as content creators. So the more content or data that you create, the more data goes through your IP address and into their platforms. These platforms are obviously company owned, and each one of these companies have their individual data vaults where they store all of your data, and they use that data, of course, to make hundreds of billions of dollars per year off of you doing your daily activities for free. We're changing that model. Now, where they use apps, we use dApps. And as we move into the community-owned business model, we have similar apps that track your exercise, like XFit, track your search, much like Google Chrome, track your purchases, very similar to Amazon Marketplace. We have our own wallet. Think of like PayPal, a travel app that tracks your purchases of the trips. MyList, which is a check-in app, allows you to identify your favorite business locations. My Navigation, which is very much like Google Maps or Waze. And then eventually we'll have My Doctor, where you can connect with a digital super agent who will be able to find out what ailments you have. Again, all of these dApps, which are decentralized apps, they are designed to collect your data. The only difference is ours is a privacy-first experience where you own the data. The company doesn't own the data like over here. Now, we use a digital super agent called Brittany. And with Brittany, you're going to build a relationship with her. She's going to get to know what your likes and dislikes are, where you like to travel to. She's going to know a lot about you. But instead of putting that data in a company-owned data vault, it's going to go into your data vault, respectively called My Data Vault. So no more Google. My Data Vault is the new Google. And then instead of associating an IP address with your data, we're going to assign an NFT address, which is a non-fungible token. You see, you can't pay money to an IP address, but you can pay money to an NFT address. Now, each one of these NFT addresses will be unique, much like the IP address. So as you can see, we're building a super wallet for living so you can get paid for life. We will become a DAO community, which means decentralized autonomous organization, and this platform will be owned and governed by you, where 70% of the revenue of our content creators, who's our community, gets paid to the people who want to participate in different advertising campaigns, and the other 30% goes to the founders and investors who finance the platform. We're also powered by a cryptocurrency with a 100 billion token supply, where 85% of that is allotted for the community, 10% for the founders, and 5% for the developers. So I guess the real decision you might want to make is, do you want to continue to make the company-owned platforms wealthy with data you're already producing every day, or do you want to use our decentralized apps through Brittany and make yourself wealthy? Company-owned is the past, community-owned is the future. With Databank.me, we offer a privacy-first experience, which means the data that you collect, you control it, you own it, and you have the choice of whether you want to monetize it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, live healthy and be wealthy.
Now, I hope you found value in that video. Data is everything moving forward in the future. So it's important that we protect it, and it's important that we can monetize it. Now, if you want to get started, I'll leave a link in the description if you're on desktop. But if you're on mobile, you can get started by scanning one of these QR codes. And my advice is come down and join our Discord channel, because my motto is no question is a silly question. So if you're new to crypto, this group is perfect for you. I hope I see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great week. Kia kaha.